with the Investing News Network, and I'm here today with our cannabis reporter, Bryan. We're here to talk to you about what happened in the cannabis space during the month of August. Bryan, can you start by running through some of the major developments in the space last month?
Well, yes, Charlotte. August was a busy month for cannabis investors. First off, Ontario announced the privatization of the retail model for the cannabis market. Starting in April of 2019, cannabis companies will be allowed to set up their own shops in the province. Consumers, however, are facing a delay in the retail experience. The markets reacted negatively to this announcement, seeing the delay as a bad thing. However, experts agree that in the long term, this decision is a good one for the overall cannabis industry.
That sounds a little bit worrying. Should investors be concerned right now?
Well, Charlotte, quite literally one day following the Ontario decision, Constellation Brands, an alcohol producer behind Corona Beer, announced an investment of $5 billion into Canopy Growth, the leading Canadian cannabis company. This investment sent pot stocks through the roof. Charles Stark, the president and CEO of Faircourt Asset Management, told us that this investment was a shot in the arm for investors and a reminder that the cannabis play is a long-term one.
As we wrap up, are there any major August cannabis developments that investors should also be aware of?
Well, yes, Charlotte. Just before the end of the month, a report came out citing that alcohol producer Diageo, the company behind Guinness Beer, is eyeing a potential entry into the cannabis space. Diageo would join Molson Coors, which has a partnership with Hydropothecary, and Constellation Brands as alcohol producers with relationships to the cannabis public markets. Analysts agree that the entry from these alcohol companies represents a major step up into the legitimization of the cannabis space.
Okay, well, thank you so much. We'll leave our August update here. Once again, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Bryan with the Investing News Network.
Join us next month where we recap what happened in the cannabis space in September. In the meantime, you can follow us on Twitter at INN_cannabis, on Facebook at Investing News Network, and of course on LinkedIn also at Investing News Network. We'll see you next month.